一开始，紧来关心美国总统川普对顶关税政策，即马有出现转变。这是经过这几天的加滚，川普伫台湾时间今仔日半暝啊，对外宣布，针对表态无要向美国提出报复的这个国家，要互这个国家90天的缓冲期。也若伫这段期间，关税税率是10%。也毋过针对要对美国报复的国家中国的关税，美国继续抬起哩。美国即马打算要对中国扣125%的关税，而且随时施。川普嘛讲，伊相信中国嘛有想要落软，只是唔知影要安怎做。来听川普详细的讲话。
Well, I thought that people were jumping a little bit out of line. They were getting yippy, you know. They were getting a little bit yippy, a little bit afraid. Nothing's over yet, but we have a tremendous amount of spirit from other countries, including China. China wants to make a deal. They just don't know how quite to go about it.
川普表示，有超过75个国家和北京联络，想要来谈判。也若针对无要实施报复的国家，美国决定针对这国家提出90天的缓冲期。咱总统赖清德进前就讲，咱无要和美国硬拄硬，所以台湾应该嘛是伫有缓冲期的这75个国家内底。这个消息一出来了后，美国股市虽受到鼓励，标普500指数起9.5%，纳斯达克指数嘛起12.16%，道琼指数是起7.87%。